abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini ekudwini.
It is a beautiful afternoon. Bulawayo Omuhle. My name is Nondu Zoncube and welcome to Enkundleni exclusive podcast brought to you by Deb3 Events. For those who don't know what Deb3 Events is all about, it's all about event planning. If you have an event, be it commercial, be it social, be it entertainment, religious events, Deb3 is the company to go to. Bayayenza izinto za PA for hire, stage hire, and lighting solutions. You name it, Lati or MC. If you need MCing services, Deb3 is the place to go to. Leslie, unjani?
Mnyama.
It has been a very, very interesting week.
Yeah.
Lots of things happened, and I know it's just so obvious ukuthi imklomelo kaDakamela, it was the highlight of the week.
Yeah.
It was the highlight of the week. It was sibone, very, very notable individuals who attended the events.
Yeah.
Sibone the king Nkosi Ubulelani himself. We saw the Ministry of Tourism, Miss Babrambe Papara Rosi. We saw our very own poets, Albert Nyati, Omadlela, Ezra Chisa, Uzenzo. A lot of people attended. And we also saw the hype on social media. Now, the only thing that I regret is not going.
That's a good regret. I wish I could share the same feelings with you.
Sasifuna
Unfortunately,
ngawe.
I don't. Yeah, mina
Wena uhambile vele.
ngihambile.
Uh-huh.
Yo, besides amanga ukuthi vele umuntu uzakade stage nasitshela ukuthi umgwaqo uzalungiswa soon, I think everything was okay.
Okay.
Besides amanga, but well, for me, there's a lot to learn from that, and besides all the good things, like there was a lot of good than bad, and
Yeah.
but mina, I want to suggest to let's add more people to organization team if we are running a big event.
Yeah.
Let's not have 2 people running around or 1, because at the end of the day, there are possible things that can be okay, but agcina engabanga okay because maybe omunye umuntu sesindwa or something. So there was a lot of delays. I-program ibingekho that fluent ukuthi uyabona ukuthi u-MC kade sedinga ukuthi sokumele kuhambe njani khathesi kasakwazi ama-artist abuyileyo, they are registering 2 minutes before uperforma, kuyabe kuthwele iphepha backstage kuthiwa bonke abafuna uperforma vele lizobhalisa, then selibuya selibhalisa. I think into ezinjalo, we can actually improve on that and do better. And also the issue of culture. I think most artists akade belapha bebegida radio, but it's a cultural event, and ukuthi sifuna ukuzwa ingungu sibili ziphikisana, sifuna ukuzwa sibili ama-traditional instruments ekhala live, and sifunda imgido esintwini, anti sifuna ukubona ihosana ichaywa sibili ngengungu, and but I think I stand to be corrected. If I remember very well, the only group efike besides abantwana besikolo from around, and the only group efike yachaya live yisekunjalo ma-Africa Arts. The rest bebegida radio, and so ubuculture bayabaleka kusuka kube ngani ngokuyifestival nje siyabuya sizogida sikole. Even opening act bekuyi-radio.
Can I make an assumption? You can correct me. I think it's an assumption. It's curious.
Yeah, it's curious.
Actually, I think they probably underestimated the event and didn't expect a huge turnout. the way it came out. Maybe they expected it to be big, but not that big.
Mina, I'm not worried about the bigness of it. But I'm saying even if it's 5 people,
affect organizing
because even if it's 5 people that are coming to perform, and mina laphana maybe ngibuyile ngilindebele and imgido yesindebele nangiyazi, I should benefit from such a program. And it's a cultural event, and so nxa ngihambe lo mntanami kumele afunde isintu lapha.
Makes sense.
But angafika athole kugidwa wathinta thina wathinta and so kwampana mina like nxa ngirong ngicorrectani, but I think akuyenzi mina ukuthi like kuswelakale even idziba lemvula they were there but bebekhithi radio.
Bese ngifuna uyenza umzekeliso njengona lo ukuthi iculture kanti ayidevelop yini.
Whose fault is it? Is it the organizers or is the performers?
Khonapho mina angila ndaba because lawe wena nxa ungumuntu
Othi ngabe no? Ngisekuthini iculture isiko lethu asoze lihlale lifana. Liya kwesikhathi yahamba lesikhathi. Bagcina like idziba lemvula beli incorporate belifaka nga eredweni.
Anyali. I'm saying ngihambe lo mntanami ku grade 6. Ngamtshela ngathi kulomgido okuthiwa ihosana. Lo mgido okuthiwa isithikitsha and lo mgido okuthiwa indlame, lo mgido okuthiwa ngumchongoyi. Ahambe afika lalela ingoma ze South avele ezaziyo and izikhala ku radio and abantu begqoka amabheju begida. Where is the because we had people that came from Zambia.
Senguthola.
We had people that came from SA. We had people that came from
international
Malawi. And people that came from outside. Bebebuya begqoke ukuthi emasikweni abo bagqoka njani. Even amandebela weGoli bebembathela ingubo zabo and abasuke beyazi imgido yala.
Senguthola.
You understand?
So
even sizaba le segment lapho sesithaya khona iradio for entertainment purposes. But why not have a time where we intensify it sibili ukuthi nanku umgido wesintwini. Karese wonke umuntu kakhiphe ingwane. Sokusesintwini la.
He's making a lot of sense.
It really kills culture because next time I want to invite people from Germany. And when it comes to radio, they are far ahead of us. So asibatshengiseni ukuthi hayi thina ingungu siyazitshaya la. Enxa lifuna ukuzwa ingungu. So I enjoyed i-performance yesekunjalo. Because bebefaka imarimba on stage, bafaka ingungu on stage. Bazama ukukukhipha kunjalo akusoze vele kube perfect uzasola something but at least bazamile ukuthi lami nxa ngisuka ngithi hayi that's an African instrument, it's called the marimba.
Did Kaya Arts perform?
Yes, they performed. They did very well. Yeah, bakide it ye radio. It was nice, energy was okay, but when sitas tiring
Anyamuzo lapha. But like he's saying ukuthi trade already. Abengutsho ukuthi isiko liyadevelop.
Yes.
Incorporate ama 2000
I think what he's saying which like
let's
take
have a
it
moment
as an opportunity to showcase
yes
of which is a good point.
Yes.
Which
And
is a
considering
good point.
ukuthi most ministers and other delegates that came, majority of them were not Ndebele. But they really appreciated in culture. So imagine if we had really maybe sahamba kwenye indawo right that lokhu sokuyindawo kwethu lokho kweculture lapha kuzakhala ingungu and you'd see ukuthi a lot of people were going to really enjoy that. Then ntambama i-platform one was there yo mama bachala ba and when ntambama sokumnandi and platform one sichaya ama-radio sekhala like sokuhamba sokusiya phambili. So it's not making sense ukuthi induna nxa ingena amabutho abhiza agiya eqeda ukugiya sokukhala radio.
I think even that has to do with the program manager.
Programs
manager. I think.
Let's if because yikho abantu begcina becomplain. I saw a complaint about amabutho and because kunzima ukuthi uqeda ukunitshayela umagwaza. Immediately sufuna ukuthi futhi ngene ngibijana ku culture ngoba induna sifu sukuma lapha yestage. Mina ngiqeda ukukokotsha.
Planning
akuvumi but singahle sithi lesi isikhathi sokuthi we are cultural, we can as well say bra wena ungana uzwisise esikwenza ngcono umele ngangale move because uphambanisa into eyenzakalayo but singakuxubanisa mina sendle ngena kumudi yokweqa and awusamisa
hayi uyibambe kuhle hayi
awusamisa
Second,
Yeah.
It's making
But
a lot of sense.
I actually saw a very, very interesting, I can say new concept. I don't know if it's not new, but I
Okay.
think it's a new concept because Minangaze ngiyibona, which is called glamping by a tribe called Zimbabwe.
Mm.
They do fashion designing.
yes I wanted to talk about
I
that
saw that. I was like, what? You know, so I think it also comes down when it comes to performers. It also comes down to passion
Yes,
on
yes.
on how you want to deliver your product.
yes
Whether
yes.
ubhadaliwe, whether we are volunteer,
yes
you
yes.
have to
But I
always
think-
deliver. You know,
I think you
Quality.
made a good point by saying ukuthi programs director or whoever is managing the program. I think
let's
if-
take note of that
kumele ahle
Akucabange
drive
khonokho,
even awucabanga
eh.
but ahle batshele
Eh,
ama performers
this is what
ukuthi
we want
sifuna lokhu
eh.
like for instance sekunjalo ma-Africa I think they understood
yeah they understood
the
the
event,
assignment
i-assignment yabo bathi babuya bathi le into yesintu bayenza into yesintwini but umuntu nxa ungamtshelanga like take-
uyabuya yena lento alayo
siyalithatha
Yes,
serious njani
yes.
nxa lingathatha ama-event seriously. Mina I'm on the performers ukuthi wena if you are the one who's supposed to deliver lawe
No,
package phela into yakho.
mina for example I'll give an example anti mina I follow kakhulu ekhaya arts and most of their shows that they are getting abatholi mashow engungu bathola amashow eradio anti so ungababiza bona bazitshela ukuthi usibize because ubone skiti radio sizabuya le radio yethu anti but wena as an events organizer ungasitshela ukuthi ufunani
your expectations.
sizahamba sekulungisa lokhuyana anti because mina ngizazitshela ukuthi nxa ungibone red cafe
yabo ngoba into ayitsho lesinyamzisisa like nxa ukhetha ama-performers
yes
ngcono uhle uthi since umgido lo event le ingesintwini ngizafuna imaqaqa
yes
ngizafuna
because
ijongosi
there was great stars ijongos yo
you understand
ah
ngokwesintwini lokho usudid traditional lokhuzeni groups but ungaxubanisa
Uma-organizer nguyokhuthileyo.
I think
think so
kwampana
too.
because ntambama bekusiba mnandi if I tell you kulenye
Hayi
group
ukuthi abantu into zebusuku
okuthiwa
liyazithanda.
ikhakha no andi ebusuku anti besokulandelana ngokokuthi songokwebusuku so we had a lot of upcoming rumba musicians and belayine kuhle anti so ntambama besokumeka isense ukuthi ungazubona umuntu eseqa umkhuzi because isikhathi sokweqa but emini manje 2 minutes seqa 2 minutes esihlezi sokuconfuse
Okay.
andobona so kwampana I think asiba
And then-
then
and then-
I enjoyed it dinner last night of it I think umuntu oplane lokhana nxa ezabukela abuye mfumniki 1 rand ezidina ifakwe emfuleni I think nxa ubone i-fashion wathola le yeah bekusemfuleni phakathi sibili esenta komfula yikho kwenzakale khona idina hayi nto ezimbabwe izulu alini kakhulu echebechebeni
But still it's a wonderful concept.
echebechebeni and hayi that was nice
Bekuyidina mbe bekukudla kwantambama.
abekuyidina sibili
Wow.
because it was invited it was the VIPs went to the river
How did you become the VIP? Let's talk about you.
as a matter of concern I'm a general in this country I fought and died for this country and there was shout out to Utando Lovusi. Do you follow those guys
Thando.
aba chova amabhasikili
Oh yes.
yes they were there so bona ichipi yabo kade basemaswingo so they to cheer amabhasikili and rush to the event then base bebuyela emaswingo and I was shocked bengakwazi ukuthi umfana lona mina ngithi umuntu webhasikili he actually sings so nguyokade i-entertainment kudina ngale echaya ikatali hlabela it was nice so Thando is going to be in Bulawayo chief I think sizamletha it's going to be in Bulawayo mhla ka 19 I'm actually talking to you I think sisaye sibuye sixoxe lapho
Okay.
wena
Nice.
ungabuyi and
Kubulewe inkomo ezingaki? Mana mbijana.
inkomo ukuthi bezingaka ngikwazi but bekule ndlovu yeah ndlovu ibisivunda but ibimnandi
Isindebele sithi inyama ayiboli. Inyama ayiboli. Iyavunda ayiboli.
ibisivunda indlovu but ibimnandi all right like a lot of things happened there. It was nice. Ngaqalisa like ngithe kuphela wathi mbambe ku-ish le culture because si expect next time nxa sibuyela kube le difference but siyabonga especially Kingdom Blue, you know, babuye ngolaka sibili and like
wow.
benza sibili into yaba le drive yabandle, like they were there for everything. Kungathiwa sifunakala lo Kingdom Blue is there. I'm not saying abanye abayenzanga kuhle and but ubusithi nxa ungena ubona iKingdom Blue, nxa uphuma
Which
ubona
other
iKingdom
corporates were
Blue.
there?
We had Regional, we had NAC, we had Ginger Wise, le kombucha, ngalikhohlwa linganjani, we had Doves. Hey, bekukunengi, bekukunengi, amatenda akhona bekukunengi. Then banganjaya. Do you know ukuthi if we can have everyone volunteering like what Bulawayo Poly did, I think kuhle lokho.
Wow.
Because Bulawayo Poly ibuye lama volunteers awe catering. Yabuya lama volunteers awe ushering. Yabuya lama volunteers awe IT akade ncedisa bo sound system. Abangabhadalwayo, just a school trip and so even umntwana esebuyela esesiyapheka usekwazi pressure and all that.
Equally vele
Usekwazi
dinner.
ukuchayisa late umntwana
I
lwana.
trust Polly in terms of
No, I think lokhana kuhle lokhana chief and umntwana ungamnika that experience like uyabe usubona umntwana lo sediniwe lo but uyabe se exposed to the world asesiyangena kiyo.
Experience ayidingi.
Experience yakhe isiqathe so because ngeSaturday mina ngalala ngo2 so ngathi ngisemfuleni ngisiyachecka nje abangani bami ukuthi ba right ngahlangana labantwana labana sebethwala izinto zabo leza eze catering and abantu umntwana lo usediniwe but kakusoza kuchiyo kwizinto lokhu la because kumele uhambe ngale responsibility sehle wayifunda kwampa. So I think even abanye nje abahlala beqamba amanga la eTown ukuthi siyafundisa catering bangaqalisa ukutarget ama events anjalo bese volunteer abantwana khona ngale. I think kuyakhulisa into eziningi like alisabhadala ama ushers anti vet nezibabe sifuduza
Mbone enye initiative odinga ni sharp otsho ukuthi abantu ba-charge amafoni.
Bra, those guys, yo, angazi ukuthi ngabangapha abantu labana. Imagine umuntu ufike wapitcha i-tent, wafaka ama-generator angu-2. Wafaka angikwazi ukuthi izikhalali zawo bezingaki. Umuntu lwana ubengakwanisa ukuchargela wonke umuntu obeku-event, but bebengu-3. Etendeni eliyi-1. Bebekwanisa ukulichargela lonke.
wow.
Lokho ayikudinga imali. If noma bezithwala
So ukucharge ifoni igcwale okuyimali.
charge ifoni igcwala, I think it was 10 rands.
Wow. Uyakwazi ukuthi that the other day I was talking with someone ukuthi do you know ukuthi sometimes especially kwi-economy njengeyethu today imali it's just in those simplest things.
Yeah.
Uyakwazi.
Akulandebe ayisizitulo.
Izitulo anti obviously kule company yabi
Okay.
yabiqhatshiwe.
Because it's those simplest things. Kufana le
Then,
concept le
yeah.
ayisizitulo kuma
Yeah.
events.
Unomuntu othele tent futhi. Ube campsite ube win.
Yeah, bekule campsite it was $5 ucamp. But I think asingatshonela phela kudakame. I think kuphela abantu benkai abahlakaniphe. We had a lot of people that were in need of accommodation. I think okuyindlu kwakho kodaka lokhana even ungakufaka okungumbheda nje okuncane uthi lapha
single bed.
$5 a night.
You
and
can make money.
abantu besuka uyabule $20 and because i-accommodation ibihlupha so bumba umdaka wakho bumba umdaka ufa utshani
Even those wooden cabins. No, Austin, haven't you seen ama concepts ukuthi indlu ebunjengomdaka but phakathi kwenziwe a very nice concept
Yes.
ifake the solar lights, what mattress wakho and
people
all
were going to pay for that.
those wooden cabins.
People were going to pay
Yeah.
for that.
I think the problem
ngendlela
ukuthi-
okube ngayo next year is going to be worse.
They have to
Next
think
year is
fast.
going to be worse.
Otherwise-
if you have
like he's saying
Ama-quantum-
invest khathesi uhlu yakhe khathesi.
Otherwise,
khathesi uhlufaka
kuyasuka
udaka
abantu
lwakho
bemzini.
eceleni kwesikolo kwamba
abantu bemzini babazagcina besenza khona kahle if they are not clever
Abaphuzi be.
if they are not clever about it.
ngoba mina vele ngiyagaya khona but next time nihle ngihambisa ama-wooden cabin
Yeah, even those wooden cabins.
because atransporteka lula lawo anti uyawathi
And-
cement
and-
wafaka
and-
erolini uhambisa
Another assumption, namhla ngenza ama-assumptions engiyibonayo ukuthi even this event isenzakala kanye ngomnyaka, I think it sort of like promotes inkayi yona ngowayo ukuthi people just want to visit even if there is no event. People want to see khathi indawo yona leyo kwenzakala into enje.
uminister nxa eqinisile siyabazi abantu bepolitics but uthe they want to build a cultural center
Mina ngizakholwa nguyibona.
Kuqakathekile khona.
Khompa.
Vele uhle be-tourism like nxa uvele uhlakaniphile.
So mina honestly ngizahlala ngikhuluma ngakho kuma-platforms ami because ukhulume phambi kwethu
Mina ngizakholwa nguyibona.
and besingacelanga ukuthi atsho njalo
I'll believe it when I see it.
wasesithi sifuna ukwakha i-cultural center la so but yena ngumama ushap bengingakwazi angumama ushap angumama ushap sibe ayekhona ukuthi hayi no awu mama ushap umama ohloniphayo ndinokuthi kulokunye ongawafana okuncane so uyabubele lakhe maybe wagcina ungikhansela kumbe ungu-MP kumbe unguminister but akula respect bale nto leyana ukuthi hayi umasalo besubmitha sibili bekwazi ukuthi lapha it's not about me it's about the chief it's about these guys so ubengadingi special attention leyana ukuthi yimi sokumele ngihambele phambili yimi sokumele bekhona nje ukuthi nxa ungamazwi uyacabanga ukuthi angumuntu nje khona
Okay.
so I think Konkiana like I was saying ukuthi ungafika koNdlovu ungafika wena ube indoda koNdlovu indoda ngoNdlovu
That's true.
so yena Konkiana I think ube lakho ukuthi even eseyakhuluma ispeech kasanga nje umrabaraba uthi ga ngesikhiwa uGasolo etolika umama ukukhuluma amabala awesikhiwa aqatha uGasolo wawabisele njalo ebantwini
uGasolo
I know it was not English it was Shona
ube interpreter.
ube interpreter it was Shona umama uthe kafuni ukusebenzisa isikhiwa because it's a cultural event so into akwanisa ukuyikhuluma iShona so kwaze
She
kuba lo
understood
muntu
the
omtolikela
assignment.
ngani ngesintu I love that isikhiwa ngesani khuluma ulimi lwakho anti
Exactly.
then because abaningi abezwa kube lo munye ukutolikela so umama wasekhuluma ibala elijileyo elesishoneni and uGasolo madoda uGasolo uhambe esuke eGwande buya koBulawayo abuyele eGwande abuyele eGwande Gasolo akukuhambe phela lawo usiya eGwebo ukushaye wonke usuke eHarare uhamba udobhadobha amabala hayi Gasolo ngiyakukhuza mngana wami umama walithi pha ibala lesitshona uGasolo welibisele ebantwini ibala lenza no Gasolo ibala likhiphe esishoneni ulifake esendlini uGasolo walibisele linjalo ibala wazwa libamba mbayimbaye anti uyabusubambanisa izinto ezikhulunywa ibala leli ngabe lisitsho lokho wangikhonela ikhuluma uGasolo ngakhona sithi come on Gasolo come on Gasolo I'm not going to say so next time angihambi when uzahamba
No, siyahamba zonke kanti wezule experience yendawo. I
yeah
think
yeah
I think mina actually bemfuna uhamba I had planned ukuthi ngizahamba like I was saying ukuthi I had planned the outfit, I had planned the mphako, but I didn't have money.
yeah uyabona ukuthi obukwenzile kufana lokuthi uthi amaviri senlawo loko kupompisa amaviri senla andla mota awulalutho no awulalutho qalwa ngemota uzuzindinga amaviri
Amavirila.
amaviri ndawo endalo moya amaviri ami uyidingela mina outfit bengila ngesaradebe kufunile wonke umuntu
Inabantu esingalifuniyo.
Nga-
Ongihamba ku-event you
Madoda,
are not even
so
following the
ongcono
thing.
nguphi mina bengu-event ngela outfit wena ubugqoke outfit endlini
So ufana abantu abagida irediyo.
mina benandiredio kule group okuthiwa yikhakaka igroup la okuthiwa yikhakaka yashaya nge-Friday ebusuku so abafana berumba bayajaya ingoma yabo ithi bathi lizanka wena
I think we'll have to look it up. Leslie overall, I think this event was an amazing success. One thing that I know, Leslie is hard to please.
I'm hard to please. Yeah.
Ungabona esehlekelele ethi hayi sikholisile sibili
I
hayi
am hard to
kuthi ukuthi
please. I'm hard to
uyabe
please.
kholisile.
Yeah, yeah.
Awubuyanga wayegarden of house.
Besokulethu plus besenzondile ukuthi kanti mina abanike umklomelo oyi-1.
Yeah, you deserve.
Kari
Just assess yourself.
assess.
Nxa uzi-assessa wena,
Yeah.
do you think you deserve?
Ngiyawudeserve umklomelo.
Oh, okay. So just another highlight of the weekend. There was Garden of House on Sunday.
Yeah, I did it by the same umklomelo.
It was on Sunday.
It was on Sunday. Sunday langa leche.
Kari church didn't get the whole day from morning to sunset.
Athi ezethu ngezabo fire. Saqala ukuhlabela ngo9 then upapa abuye ngo2.
But now the good thing, I don't know what we reduce any volume. This time I didn't see complaints online about the noise coming from. Sijayela ukuthi singangena ku Facebook nxa kule event trade fair siqale sikuzwa there is noise and you know. Yeah. So
Umeya nje uba ngumsindo ngokunye.
Yeah, khona kuyahlangana kwezinto.
Ume uba ngumsindo. Like I mean I think argument kaMeya is valid though. Because our very own Bulawayo Mayor, Mr. Honorable.
Hayi
Cousin-
his worship.
His-
Ngicela ukuthi
oh,
kuphinde
his-
khona.
Our very own his worship
Yeah.
Coltert. He was against the idea of it shut down ibe khona Queens.
Kule activity ne Queen.
Yeah.
Because iQueens vela into sondawo ye shutdown, indawo ye cricket.
Yeah.
So nxa kuyikuthi kule cricket phela akwenzi phela ukuthi si shut it down khona kule cricket.
Ibe khona yini?
June.
Yeah, so anti pitch kawumele ibe sharp.
Utsho njalo umeya.
Yeah.
But kanti iZimbabwe Cricket the Queen's Sports Club who rents from who? Because abe Queens bathe the event must go ahead.
indawo lena ayirentwanga eCouncilini.
So I think ngoyi situation onje izifa le Baba Fields and uthi iBF yabe ngeyekhansini. Uyabona into kwakhona.
Yeah. Because I think there is a lease kumbe expired 2050 something.
Mina chief
Lease
shutdown ngiyayithanda and but umgano anti vela sogeza ngokudlela. So nxa kuyikuthi kuzafuna ukudliwa soon singathi asijayela ukugezela vele la. Because on the same end I think cricket is so much relevance especially eZimbabwe. Yinto esiphathela ama tourist amaningi kakhulu sibili cricket because
True.
nxa kule ama cricket and
I think ubuye New Zealand South Africa.
iyahlonitshwa especially Queens. Ungakhangela even iBhora we don't have matches adlalelwa koBulawayo.
Akuna.
Even ngesikhathi singakabhanwa amanye ama stadium asila rugby edlalelwa koBulawayo. But icricket ihlala ikhona la. Kungaze kuthiwe it's 5 days. Sometimes you'd have 3 days in Bulawayo and 2 days in Harare.
It also gives
So
me
sile respect leyana koBulawayo. So I think indawo leyana kumele ihlonitshwe for icricket.
Mina I'm wondering ukuthi kuma terms elist lapho akuzange kube specified in ukuthi indawo leyo kumele iphathwe njani. Because I think that's
I
the
think they
purpose
know.
of having a list.
I think they know. But imali anti nxa wena ule list uyafuna income.
Yeah.
Kwesikhathi kusuka kube nzima ungela lutho. But ama rent afunakala izisebenzi ufuna ubhadala. Ulesile bese bethi mfufa i-event. La usukhangela ubona ukuthi imali yakho ithe.
Eish.
Even ukuza compromise i-pitch.
Ngoba abantu okuyinto kwakhona.
And then someone was like akuhanjwe iCity ayisiwe eBhora.
But ama-pitch eBhora is
ama-pitch eBhora lula.
ama-pitch eBhora is ungaze udlale
i-pitch ye cricket iyahlupha. I played cricket ngisesikole. Iyahlupha vele iBhora kumele libhampe. Nxa kungamelana libhampe okumele irole kumele like kumele ibe njalo i-pitch leya. Yabona i-pitch ye cricket injengenkazana. Igcinwa kuhle so i-pitch ye cricket so eBhora injengomthini.
So I think umeya it valid.
Yeah.
I think
Mina
it's
for
quite
me it's
valid.
making a lot of sense. because i-cricket ile relevance eningi esinika yona la. Do you know ukuthi yikho lathi esifila khona kakhulu njengabantu? Because akula cricket eyenzakala
Imali
eZimbabwe
ungena
yeke
ku-shutdown.
ufike Queens.
Sorry.
$10
Mm.
ku-cricket $3 anje abantu i-cricket abantu abaningi bakwanisa uku-afforda.
Amanye ama-games bangenisa abantu mahara.
Especially abantwana abagqoma uniform. Ungene mahari uqeda uphiwe ipie.
So khathesi kubuye New Zealand the South Africa.
Where's New Zealand? New Zealand,
So those
phela,
are-
it's an A team. South Africa,
team.
A team. Like there are people that just follow New Zealand anyway. South Africa West. So i-shutdown sakwanisa ukuthi siyenzele. Kudala kwawujayela ukwenza
Trade fair.
ama-carnival ovala umgwaqo avalwa ngale. Kanti kuya ngabi
Kanti isitholi yona isasebenzani these days? Abantu
Ah,
bayenza
I-car park.
Car park
even
seyiqa.
i-car park.
Seyiqa lapha.
But I think trade fair was best suited for.
Yes. Eyaqalisela khona. Kanti vele ayiqalisela ngale.
I think
Shutdown.
shutdown.
Qalisela ngale.
I think it's best.
Trade fair. Yeah. So ayibuyele khona. Anti vele
Vele
like
shut
last
down,
day,
it's just the trade fair.
trade fair.
So
Yeah.
so funeka alternative.
Bra, thina
No,
vele
they
khona
can't.
kwawusoke usitshayisa amakhanda. Singabulewela i-ground yethu.
So I want to but umeya le council
ule point ya.
yes got
Yeah.
a point
Yeah,
but
ule point.
abavele phela alright ama alternative venues.
Kanti lokhu andingokomuntu ayisikho kwelizwe.
Yeah,
I-shutdown.
ngoko.
So Kanti thina sasidlupa ngakho mina no Devi. Bona
Eish,
indawo but ziningi. Indawo ziningi singafuna ucabangisisa kuhle ziningi. I think asipota poteni bantu be-shutdown. Indawo ziningi. Ziningi.
ngabantu balapha yini maybe ngumuntu ongelandaba because you know what
So nxa ingelandaba ku-right.
if your place is your home you always want to keep
Ngabantu
it
bakhona.
Yeah.
i-company
Then
yalapha.
ilokuzeni iyasfield. I think iyahosta futhi into ezinjalo.
Yes field yeah.
Iyasfield ishapu be. Awudule siko landa.
Yeah, for the money that they are charging they have to afford whatever. it
Iyasfield
is.
is good.
Umeya it valid very
A
valid.
very
Yeah,
valid
yeah,
point,
let me-
yes.
let me-
Ukuthi sesangenwa
So-
umoya wokuphonga uthanda ukuphikisa
Yes.
ukuthi umuntu angakhuluma into the fact yokuthi
Very
kumele siphikise.
siphikise.
You know, sometimes you just want to say something nje ukuthi lami ngikhulumile. I think that's the other problem that we have.
True.
Uphonga
Kurong
ukuthi
lokho.
ngikhulumile nje. You just want to put on a point. Sometimes the point
I
yakhona
think into
it doesn't mean anything.
esizifunayo and zehlukene. Because kulabajida ekasi aqalisa ukurun ama-business a day after shutdown amafoni ethu. Bayifuna i-shutdown ukudlula i-cricket. Kulaba nawethu labo asebalahla ithemba ababekwazi ukuthi ku-shutdown khwampana uyakwanisa ukuvuka kwenye indlu esithi bhebhi kumuntu engamaziyo. Shutdown iqakathekile empilweni yakhe.
But Leslie, we're not saying shutdown ingabi khona.
Sitsho ukuthi lwana othingayo lwana nti uthingela iside lakhe layo. Uthingela iside lakhe because yena akakwazi cricket kuyini go cricket yakho ngewa abantu abangani. Mina nje ifone icricket mina. Wena wawatshontsha jeki ifoni wena icricket view uyawuhambe nje but shutdown lapha ungathayime abantu begcwele lapha nje uhle uthi i-iPhone yakho kusasa uyavuka uyiswi uyabo
Eish.
ubusuvuvala
that's
wena
something.
i-shutdown esikufuna okwehlukene
Are you rehearsing kumbe into ojayele ukuyenza vele?
ukuthatha amafoni
Khona lokho kwenzayo.
kuphi
Because
mina phela into engizenzayo zine uthatha amafoni and reyesi
ngitsho khona
nyamelela
okwenza
i-shutdown
khathesi. Ngitsho khona okwenza khathesi. Because it really looks like you.
je thina sekile uyathatha amafoni ehlanya umeyalo ikwelikiwa yebaba last time nithethe 4 ama-Samsung nama-iPhone awu-3 kharesume yokhuluma into zakhe zamabhora akusebenzi lo abadlaleli iharari mina ngifuna i-shutdown. So ungasoli esikufunayo kufanani esikufunayo kufanani. Do you know ukuthi mina ndomuntu engimaziyo ekasi every Friday uyageza usister uyageza epower engela mali and ubuye edakile
Bona ukwazi njani ukuthi abengela mali?
ngumngane wami saxoxa
Ingcube bekwazi ukuthi uzaboleka ke
athi ungamjustify umngane wami nje kasebenzi nje but unatha kuthiwa i-stress kuthiwa kweni zona le imali yokuya ebhawe ngani iphakeme yabelayo akanathi ngakubo nansingene ufuna nganga
Eish.
gqoka ama-heels akhe agqoka isiketi esingekho side kakhulu athi ekuseni yezimothi ilayitha ama-light so sesehla so ubusufa umvalise lishadawo
Ingcube besiyakuthi.
ngendaba ze-cricket I think ngicela uzwisise omemba bami abekasi
So
bavuka usipaka basebenza kushutdown endaba bambeke I think mina ukubanjwa kwamasela eZimbabwe kuya ngokuthi ngubani wabona obhezi labana abadubula ipolisa labana kusesizinda sichabalana
the one we talked about last week. Okay.
i-tactic
Sebebanjiwe.
i-tactic yakhona nje because ngayamukela i-phone call kuthiwa bake bangani baxotshanisana I don't know whether it's number 2 or number 6 ngabona futhi okunye kuyivideo bengani futhi baxotshanisana eLuveve then kungelo sikhathi nje ngabona i-article isithi babanjele ku-Arrow Street is Queenspark West and ayikho bona khona life is a stew
But uyazi ukuthini? Actually sike sibongela lathi amapholisi eZimbabwe.
hayi nje kuya ngokuthi wenzeni do you know ukuthi amasela iproblem ukuthi vele ubusela into yabo ngafundanga and because kuya ngokuthi wenzeni at the end of the day
Ubhuti abahle those guys very No.
sasingakamboni phela engakayenzi
I saw the
icala
video.
exposure phela nse-famous
I saw the video. Those guys, clean, polished looking guys. Uthi umuntu wakhona ungahlala exoxelayo ngeke ucabanga ukuthi umuntu lo angabe lisela ngabe isigebenga. I was like, what? Siphila lesigebenga phela.
and amakhesi akhona so khangela manje mina ubuhlungu bami angikho wrong nje khangela izinto like eziqanjiwe yasebezenziwe ama-robbery what and
more than 50
bebengakwazi ukuthi ngabo bani because sebedubule ipolice and
sebebanjwa
kuhle
fast
kuthiwa haka masinya but barobhile benzana and so it means ama-50 cases lawa abelabantu phela and or abelama-suspects and okwenze kwalandelwa bona laba specifically it means maybe at some point besikwazi ukuthi abatshontshayo ngabo bani but lani senze lidubule umjida wethu yikho phela engikutsho ukuthi wayesingababambanga bengakadubula ipolice
I'm getting where he's going.
No, I do get it too. But what I mean is, bebe sebeyaziwa that's why kube le encounter with the police until the police
Kwale.
was alive.
anti mina uyakwazi ukuthi ime ngutshontshelele
Yeah.
buye phela uzombopha we are talking about 50 cases
Not
50
It's not as easy.
we are talking about 50 so how was it easy now
But 50 cases,
Now
that's a lot.
sebeyaziwa so kule trace from initial shooting yesizinda sebeba trace vele kulandelana like that. As compared to before kuqala bebesebenza incognito.
khuluma
So
isikhiwo sakho
uthi ukuthi baba interrogateile baze bathola ukuthi 50 cases in such a small space
So
of
be-
time ba investigateile babamba ukuthi all those
Jay.
50 cases yibo.
no eZimbabwe right,
Ungakhumbula amacala kwangu-50.
kwakule camera
50.
yini lapho kwadutshulelwa khona usergeant
akula camera
kwangela camera and sile witness yini eyathi ngu-arch abanye babengekho khwampa babesendlini ngale be-attenda i-case ye-domestic violence usajeni esele emoteni usajeni wabona abantu bebuya be-suspicious wabamisa andi akhona okokuqathekayo ngumsebenzi wakhe
That's another
njengepolisa
issue for another
ungabona
day.
vele abantu abasuspicious njengosajeni uyabamisa anti so khonapho sithi well done sajeni anti so I'm saying akula camera entweni yonke le eyenzakeleyo anti but sihle sabakwazi ukuthi icala elinje. So bra, I can tell you kwakulo member eCountry Park okuthiwa nguProsper. uProsper wayedinda amapassport eborder, and wawusithi ungadindelwa nguProsper ufike lapha bakutshela ukuthi lesi sidindo sikaProsper lesi waye engabotshwa. Nxa sesikwazi ukuthi nguProsper lesidindo siyakwazi ukuthi lesi ngesikaProsper lesi, simele ukuthi azawone kakhulu lesi because asikho safe at the end of the day. Anti mina I'm just an ordinary civilian and bangadubula mina ke.
Icala khona ngathatha isikhathi eside.
And so I think thumbs up, yes, balandelile. We could see the passion and ekubagijimiseni, and but you're saying let's invest that same energy even if kutshontshwe ifoni.
Even kutshontshwe 4 million.
Ngoba i4 million zi. Yabona, zi currency ku4 million and but abantu labana ngabe safaka the same passion, ngabe siyakwazi ukuthi bangaphi vele ngabe sababa. So I think into yakhona ayibalance because i-intelligence eZimbabwe sayithemba vele. Vele abantu vele lapha ubaleki lula la. But
It's something else. Amapolisa athwele nzima. The other day we were talking of issue ukuthi amapolisa these days ngani soku easy nje kuphela ukuthi babe assaulted
mina I think
kuba lula nje.
number one and well antithethisi but I think abanengo constable esiphila lawo especially emakasi abahlonipheki. Hlonipheka lawe njengepolisa even ungekho ku-uniform and because abanye kabezwa njengathi but akudlula thina then ulento lana yokuthi usefuka ukwethusela ngoba yena lipolisa and uyagcina udeleleka. But lawo ungahlonipheka and I think that's the first stage. Into okuthiwa lipolisa yesabise sota lo lipolisa lo and ube le image lawo esharp konkhana kwenza ukuthi umuntu angasondeli lula kuwe. Number 2, bangaphomba ukubhoda lama handcuffs kuphela especially ebusuku. Akube maybe le measure from i-government yokungezelela i-ammunition because uyahlangana labo bebhoda ngani ngama neighborhood. And these days abantu bagangile ba-engage labantu abalempopo on lama handcuffs. Uyagijima uthi ama handcuffs. So i-government layo ayiqalisa kubanika even ama-pistol. Lezimota bangabhodi ngenyawo ababhode ngezimota and because uyathola ukuthi ushef ongenzi lutho mina ngcono banzona imota ngo6 sipakile endlini yakhe ebhalwe zetherapy but kulabo constable ababhoda ngenyawo.
Yeah, that's true.
Akuyenzi lokho imota lena ayibhode ebusuku and yikubona wena ungaba le emergency kadesi awungeke uthole i-service khonapho. Kuyathiwa and but imota lezana umuntu even isela lingabakwazi ukuthi khathesi la ineighborhood ingajaya impembe khathesi la imota yamapolisa efika khathesi ubudlongudlongo buyayehla sombijana because le fear lana ukuthi sengingehluleka ukubaleka. But khathesi for example i-case yona le esikhuluma ngayo domestic violence and bakuthoza ufile ekuvuba
ohle umuntu echayo
awuthona uzofile. And so also sikhuluma ngokuhlonipheka and yikho okwenza i-TTI ingahlonipheki.
Okay.
Because andobona ukuthi sebele mali zabo asebezicela eceleni. Because I see me uyabona umdala lo wayele ngisibharela ngebrook esithi bisela imali oyithethiyo and barani laphana kule team eclaimpayo okuthiwa i-enforcement. So kusiba le team ye-release ukuthi oclaimpayo ka-release imoto. So wena nxa ungoclaimpayo ungowe-enforcement nxa usuthatha imali ku-client ule bhuku lokubhala
uzithathela ujaha.
Mina into engiyifundileyo from this entire video ukuthi abafazi bayakwazi ukukhomba shape. Indoda ikumele ukuthi ibiselwa imali yakho mfazi wami.
No, andobona ukuthi
Get back your money.
vele kuyabe kuvele kule attitude between abantu le TTI and so one silly mistake abantu vele bahle bathi good yikubona ebele audacity sibile ukufaka ivideo ukuthi khelani into yenziwa yini ngabantu laba and so anonti abantu babekhala la bekhala.
But you know what? in as much as we are talking about this, I just felt so bad for the TTI guy. Because umuntu omdala phela lwa, and you are a family man, you have your kids, and then the next thing sokuphuma umuntu ekuphakamise ngebhrukwe.
Phambanisile.
No,
Yazi ukuthi
we have got
labantwana endlini
61-year-old
uyabakhuza njani?
kids.
But umdala uhlakaniphela
uphamba-
kuthina dosa amabhrukwe yales.
Silabantwana abale 75 years.
Uyabe phambanisile umdala.
Eish.
Asazi maybe nxa imali abayiholayo incane. But okunye kuphela kucina kuyisibungu nje kuphela esokuthi anti thina njenge TTI siyesabisa. So ngathi ninika $10 umuntu kasoza yale
Yeah.
because ngizamtshela
Because
ukuthi uhambe
besempila umama lwa.
besempila anti bezokuthiwa bisela.
I think banengi bekwenza and banengi besidla ngakho.
Yeah, kuthiwa baningi vele.
Kweso kungumkhuhlane.
Kuthiwa baningi. And
Eh.
kanti bona bachayisa isikhathi ngoba bongani usokama after hours.
Yeah.
Bona bachayisa isikhathi ba. Kanti bachayisa 5. So sebechayisa late.
Yeah, i-claiming team I also heard ukuthi bachayisa ngo-7 and which is okay.
But still even nxa
ukudizisa
ukuthi bachayisa
bachayisa isikhathi.
i-problem ithi alright.
Bachayisa isikhathi bani?
Imali ke
ungadizisi.
And ungabona usufuna ukundizisa kushuthi bengingela cala. Elani?
Sometimes uyabulala.
Elani?
Yena lele
Because nxa nilecala and ungiclaim uqeda uthi diza. Cala ngelani? Wena ungabulala umuntu ungadiza wena. Ngiqambele 4.
No, umuntu okwanisa ukuthi ebelecala anti abesedonda kuyakhipha imali eningi ngale lokuthwala imoto ingaya ngala anti there's more money, there's time inconvenience and all that. Abesesithi I would rather just keep her $10 and get going.
Then wena ngokuhlakanipha kwakho sisithi ninika mina 10. Mina ngaclaim lapha ku14 lapha. I'm not afraid to say this. Kwathiwa ngixobe line, but I can go and show you now. Akula line.
Ukuthi line yakho nayo kumele
Akula line. Somebody just imagined a line engqondweni zakhe wathi but indlela imoto le mina indawo yakhona ayila line akukadwetshwa ama line akukabi lalabana ababhala ama receipt labana anti bamele uqala udwetshwa ama line so mepe nxa umuntu sediniwe akasela into yokwenza wathi edlula wabona imoto
sibuza ukuthi since ubungela bama receipt wena wayenza njani?
hayi anti kulalaba ababhalayo ukuthi imoto ipaka 1 hour laba claim bayo
awukhipha $10.
ngabantu ngiyahlanya mina ngikhanya ngilula mina.
I was just asking ukuthi ngibe le sure phela ukuthi wena issue yakho na wayihandla njani?
Mina ngihambe ethawulo.
Yebo. I know it's fine.
Mina eyami imali uyedweba phansi.
So guys, while at least we are still here, isikhathi sethu esihambile, but I just wanted to let you know ukuthi you can follow our patreon.com. Patreon.com Deb3TV, to get all the exclusive content. To get all the exciting stuff. You can get behind the scenes videos. You can get we've got special episodes for our members ababe subscribe and content only for the subscribers. You can just subscribe for just $5. $5 kuphela to get all the goodies.
End up Julie, ukuthi ayikhitshwa 10.
So thina sesivalelisa, we just want to give a special thanks to Scaftin Chicken ngoba uLeslie limbone ekhuluma kangaka, ukhuluma komuntu osuthiwe.
Yeah. Namhla ngidle ipie. Yeah. $8.50. $8.50.
So a special thanks to Scaftin Chickens. Sibonge njalo iDeb3 for all this, for us, for you guys to see us. It's because of Deb3.
Yeah. And listen quickly, I'm going to be live for stand-up comedy this Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. There's a clash between Bulawayo and Harare comedians. Not a clash as such, just an exciting event. So it's going to be at Hillside Walk. Just $10, that TTI amount, $10
And why am I going to miss that?
$10. So if you If you buy a ticket for $10,
Emhlanganweni we-church.
you get a meal for $5. It's going to be a massive
Wow.
lineup. Chipenzi, Upenyu, Tanya Alex, Brandon Masugu, Frank Chirisa, Blade, Juni. Ungabona ngufake kumeni mo. Ungavuthelwa sengukodli.
Okay, so it's $10.
$10,
Then
yes.
you get $5 food.
You get $5 meal of your choice.
Utshwala ke liyanika.
$5 yakho kwampano yakwanisa ukuthi ngicela
think-
i-stress strop press.
I think this is a good deal. I think this is a good deal. So guys, if you missed this one,
So nxa ijaha lakho lisehlule ukuhlekisa and kula majaha angu-9
uzenza amajaha ethu ayali ukuthi sihambe.
karina waye engahlekisi woba mubi at least mjidani uthi rock nxa ukhayela ahlekisa athi inguyini gogo ungasweli kongani mina lama jokes wena woba mubi at least nxa ukuwahleke mayike imahleke balance diet.
And guys, please do not forget to follow, subscribe, like and comment. Sifuna ukuzwa ama-comments and what you guys think.
Yeah.
And just be with us. Follow us also on our social media handles. Sikhona ku-Facebook, sikhona ku-Twitter, sikhona ku-Instagram.
Lights ngiyakukhuza.
So please guys do subscribe and comment. Simele ukuzwa ukuthi lithini. What
Yeah.
are you guys saying? And do invite others. Share the link.
Yeah, share. Share that. Share. All right. Yeah, that has been me and Nondudu Zongcube. So from me, Nondudu Zongcube, mina Leslie. All right. Leslie and the crew behind the scenes. Salibona singalikhangela.
Bye.